Morning, guys. Welcome to your daily inspiration. I hope you were able to get some tranquility or create a place of tranquility in your life yesterday after our card. Today, worthy goal. Get out and be inspired to keep working towards your life's purpose. Don't lose faith. Worthy goal. And set goals. It's so important. Get out and be inspired to keep working towards your life's purpose. And then fresh ideas. Stay open minded. Inviting new perspectives to enrich your journey and spark creative solutions. Wow. I think, yeah, if you take a minute and just set yourself a goal a day and a month and a year, that will that will help. And we have the lovely lion here, the strength card. Your inner strength is boundless. Unleash it. Let that be a reminder. Your inner strength is boundless. Unleash it. You've got it in you. You can do this. Okay, guys, enjoy your day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.